My friend who did this, who actually maintained her weight and also maintained the healthy eating habits, what she's taking now is the Alkalit. Sobra daw naging conscious. Hindi na siya conscious sa eating habits niya. It totally changed. Like, she had so much tips for me. Because it really changed their lifestyle, their eating habits. Even their children adapted to it, which is so good. To the point that when her parents visit them, they said na matabang daw yung food. Kasi nga, sanay na sila dun sa lasa ng pagkain na kinakain nila. So that's a bit shocking to me because I love my food to taste great. I don't eat a lot, but since I eat a lot of bad stuff, I get this body. Yun, that's the sad part of it. Even if you portion control, if you're not eating the right food, you're gonna get bloated, you're gonna get fat, you're gonna get sick. So, that's why we have this guide right here that will help us, whittle down and allow us to rethink what we are putting in our body. What Yoli is doing actually is restarting your body to the part we're in. Okay, sige, you compromise a lot on your health before, so this is like the reset button that you can apply, you can press, and will get you the body that you like. They have a lot of transformation photos, of course that's the best way to encourage people to try this kit, to see your friend lose around how many inches around their waist, and that is really motivating. But what I noticed from the people who have been doing this is how it changed their lifestyle, how it changed their eating habits, even some that I've spoken to who are not taking the Yoli kit anymore, except for the few supplements that they get pa rin. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I mean, I did that before, so I hope that with the Yoli transformation, the Yoli BBS transformation system, I will get the results that they promised. So I'll take you on my day 1 tomorrow. Excuse the videos, I will be using a different camera for that, but yeah, I'm so excited. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Good morning. Of my day with passion. With passion talaga. Super packed. Taking my passion Yoli drink for the day. This is the first day, so wish me luck. Super yummy. There is sweetness, but it's not overwhelmingly sweet, so that's good, right? May natira pa, so I might add water here later. Hey, part 1, step 2. It's pure. Ay, sorry, it's Alkalit pala. Second part of wake up in my Yoli guide. 2 Alkalit naman after the passion drink. Since may natira pa akong passion, nilagay natin ng water. So this is my Alkalit. Continuous right now, and the part 2 of my wake up routine for Yoli is these Alkalit tablets. Tama ba? Capsules. Yan. So bubuksan natin siya ngayon. Sealed siya for protection. Okay, they're not so bad, they're not super big, so I'm gonna take 2. Yum. So that's it. I'll get back to you on the... Yes. Good morning, guys. So today is my day 1 for the Yoli transformation. And I already finished up right there my Alkalit and my Passion. And it's been like few minutes na. Siguro mga 10 minutes and wala. Para akong sira dito kasi usually I prepare breakfast and na wala akong ginagawa. Kasi tapos na si Claude, so si Sharky na lang later, pero wala akong ginagawa. Mag-aayos na lang siguro ako. Yeah. Hi guys, so let's prepare our Yoli Essential Shake. It's called the Yes Shake, and what I'm trying today is gonna be the chocolate shake. So you take this right after 30 minutes after your this is a blender bottle, comes with a stainless steel ball. My kids are awake, so I'm gonna prepare this now so I can put it in the fridge. And one of my newfound friend, part rin siya ng Yoli. Sabi niya hindi niya dinadamihan yung water. Gusto niya yung manamis. Just to give you an update from the time that I finished drinking the Passion and the Alkalit, mabilis akong nagutom. So I have to wait 30 minutes for the shake, right? So yeah, that's it. I'm just hungry right now kasi nga for the past few, months, years, I've been eating full-on breakfast talaga. Like, literal, ang dami kong kinakain. So, yun. But, since hindi nga ako pwedeng kumain ng ganong karami right now, my body is hating on me. I could feel it already. I don't like this kind of feeling of hunger. But I gotta carry on, This is for me. This is for my health. So, yeah, I gotta tell not naman big, my body to stop and suck it up. So guys, this is my protein shake, my Yoli Essential Shake. Wait. Hi guys. So ito na, mag-Yoli shake na ako kasi gutom na ako guys. Ito pala yun, pag hindi sanay yung tiyan mo talaga sa healthy, mabilis kang magutom. But I drank water to alleviate my hunger. And yeah. OMG, lasa siyang ice cream. Okay, back to work. This is my body right now. You can see my indentation. Siya from my appendix, and then there's my CS. So I'm pretty bloated. That I already know as much. Diba? Hi guys, so it's time for bedtime. It's bedtime. So guys, it's time for bedtime, and the last that I'm gonna drink for today is my Alkalit and Pure. So first is the Alkalit. then my Pure. And then that's it. Good night. Good morning. Share ko lang sa inyo. Ay, okay. Good morning, guys. This is my drink for today. It's the Berry Passion Go Yoli. And, of course, my water. And I just want to share with you how nice and very appropriate ang aking tumbler from Benefit. Regime and pink. Nice, no? O, diba? Because kulay rosas ang bukas. Morning, guys. So, if any of you are curious, this is my second meal of the day, or my second Yolified boosted meal. And yeah, this is the shake, and I'm drinking vanilla right now, which I'm sure you've seen already. So right after Passion, ewan ko, because probably it gives me so much energy, nagugutom agad ako. So I wait 30 minutes after that, and after drinking Athlete, and then this is what I drink na. And then after a while, I will eat na my regular breakfast. I just want to show, this is my current weight right now, and this shorts that I got from Uniqlo like a few years ago, hindi na siya ulit nagkasya saan ever since I bought it. Now, may konting allowance pa ng slight, nagkasya na siya. Tapos hindi siya ganun kasikip, kasi dati kahit kasya siya sa akin, masikip siya. Ngayon, nakahinga na ako. So, wala lang. I'm really happy with the changes of what I've been doing.
Congrats, babe.
Yan, si Ron, siya yung nakakakita ng changes. Ano ba na? Nabayaan mo si Mommy, moment niya to. Minsan lang pumayat si Mommy. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, I'm surprised na ganito yung change. Kasi, although there was some struggle during the first week, talagang hindi ako sanay, talagang nagugutom ako. Nagugutom ako, pero na-realize ko na nung second week, mas ano na siya, mas normal na siya. Tapos yun, I'm surprised. I'm into my second box now. And I just ended the 28 days. So ngayon, for the past 2 days, this weekend, parang cheat day ko siya. And then I'm gonna start again the transformation kit on my second day. So I hope that I encourage you to try. It's all natural. I'm still breastfeeding. Obviously, the way nakikita niyo yung anak ko, I'm still breastfeeding this little bird. So it's all natural. And at the same time, I have comorbidity. So everything that I'm taking is all doctor approved and recommended. So I hope you go talk to your doctors and talk to them about this transformation kit and how it can help you. And at the same time, let me know, guys, kasi I'm surprised with the change. Hindi ako akalain na ganito yung nangyari sa akin in just 28 days. You know, we're just putting a little bit of effort, you know, and making sure that the products work for me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Love you guys. Bye-bye!
Were you frazzled? Even for you, yeah, that's a new love.
I didn't have any choice, baby. Why? Actually, why'd you dig up Marvin Barlow? I just had to make sure that it was Barlow.
Why?
Honey, there are things you don't need to know.
More secrets, more lies? I don't know why I ever trusted you.
I'm tempted. Don't, Max. You gotta give us something. I gave you Barlow. Isn't that enough?
Ito, ang tawag dito na page reward. So, yan. Yun ang hindi na natanggal. May lutuan na agad. Pero kasi nga, ayun. Kasi gusto kong malaki niya ng first time namin magkaroon ng last stage. Kasi nga, lagi nag-set pa kami. Gusto rin ko nga bumili ng magaganda mga ganon. So, Ayan, solid mo. Tapos, ito, ibigay din yung sa akin.
Well, I appreciate that. Kasi hindi ko na alam yung mga requirements if ever.
Parang nilagyan na rin ni Mama ng mga gulay, mga kalamansi, mga ginagamit na sauce ko. So, andyan lang lahat yan. Lalo na pag andito ako sa bahay, napagtakusin ko, ayoko talaga talaga binabalikan ko hindi pwede hindi maayos yung balmor. Kasi na, najira.